Hi guys, I have a Butterfly Lane Designs package to open today. This is primarily UV DTFs. I did order a couple other little things, but primarily DTFs. I did use the gang sheet builder. She does have a video on the website for creating one. I'm going to try and get one made, a video on that at some point, but I don't know when I'll get to that, so check hers out and let's see what we have. I did the biggest size sheet, which I think was 5 feet long, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe 6. I don't remember. I should have looked, but it was quite big. So let me make sure I get everything out of here. Okay. So this is all DTF. So we'll look at that in a minute. This was the other thing I grabbed. I just grabbed 2 sheets of vinyl because I thought this bee pattern was really pretty. And this print made my Lisa Frank Love and Heart happy. This one I needed for a custom order. So, and I got 2 more of the aqua ones, and she sent me a spare one of those. Thank you, Jess. Too busy being a bad A to give AF about your opinion. Note to self, B, you stress me out. And this to go with this. I think I also put this on my gang sheet. So I'll have 2 of those, if I recall correctly. But if you join her Facebook group, you will see when she runs sales. You will see what her Friday sales are. I highly, highly recommend you join the group so you are in the know. I do try to put them on my community page, but I don't always get there, especially when they're weekend sales and I'm not around. So these do print as one big long sheet. She has been cutting them to be able to mail them in the stay flats because these are nicer if they're not rolled. But if you have it in a way that she cannot cut it apart, you'll get it rolled. But this one I got a little close. I think I can save it, but and some of these are bigger than I wanted, but that's me because it's hard for me without having a cup and measurements right in my hand. So, but this is one section of it. So some of these I pulled from her her design library. She has thousands and thousands of images you can pick from to put on these. And these are adhesive UV DTF. Don't get these confused with like an iron-on DTF. These are strictly adhesive to like stick to glass or whatever. So, like these ones I uploaded from Creative Fabrica. But these were in her library. I think most of the other ones, I'm not sure at this point. I mean, this could have come from either because I do have this in my design files, but she has it on the website as well, so. And these were to go with this. But I just love the vibrancy of these. Like, I mean, here's that. I don't think there's anything wrong with the vibrancy on the, these either, though. They're very, very comparable. The VC decals. They're both printed over white, so they'll show up on color. It just depends on what you're more comfortable working with. So, and these don't have to be sealed, whereas I highly recommend sealing anything you use those on. I thought this was cute. F off, I'm crafting. So, and I believe Jessica has this week worked on the wraps for like the Libbey glasses. I don't even know if I sized mine right on here. We'll find out in a little bit here. But I do believe she has added a bunch to the site in the last week. So, but these I pulled from Creative Fabrica to upload to here. And a bunch of unicorns reading and dragons reading. I got a little carried away with those. I only needed 1 or 2. This whole sheet is them. So my sister's going to get probably a bunch of extra little dragons and unicorns. But I thought they were all adorable. And this is 3 more of the Libbey wraps. So that is that. It's not that hard to build. Like I said, look at the site. I did catch these on a sale, but you get a lot of images if you're good at laying them out on your page. I'm not going to count all of these, but I even just gave myself some extra small turtles just to fill in. So, yeah, that is everything for this order. And I am going to work with some of these soon, and you'll see them in action. So that is it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.